This is for people who are changing their career and are completing their studies at University of Melbourne to support that change. So as a career changer, how do you secure your first role in a brand new field? How do you make sure that your long-term career aspirations will materialize? How do you show employers your value through your transferable skills and experience? And how do you make sure you will be happy and successful at work? The answer is career management. Through skilled career management, you can choose a great employer, change careers successfully, understand your future career path, and ensure that you're inspired by the people you work with. Career management is not a natural talent, and people who have successful career transitions are not just lucky. To be skilled in career transition takes training, tools, and hard work, and to be in the right place at the right time. And the right place to be, if you want to become skilled in career management, is our next Graduate Student Association Transition to Employment Workshop Program for career changes. In these two intensive half-day workshops, you'll learn how to plan your career, design an attractive personal brand, showcase your transferable skills, write a standout CV, leverage the power of LinkedIn, find great job opportunities, and impress in interviews. It's going to be intensive and oh so valuable. So if you seriously want to have a successful career transition, sign up to these career-changing GSA workshops. Your career, future income, and work-life satisfaction will thank you for it.